Do you own a Honda HRV? And if you do, are you getting this light and this light over here? Basically, you got low tire pressure. That's what's going on there at the moment. So it's quite common, but people unfortunately are not 100% sure how to sort it out. So the first thing is, it's telling you got low pressure, so you got to go check the pressures. Basically, get to a garage, get out of your car, have a look at this, what is called a B pillar. So down here we see 32 on the front, 30 on the rear. We're not towing, so we don't care about these bottom ones here, but in this case this is just for passenger use. 32 on the front and 30 on the rear. So we're going to go check all the tire pressures. So once you get the gauge at the garage, you got this side here which is giving you a readout, and then you got this side of the gauge which is going to attach onto the wheel. Got to remove the dust cap. Dust cap switch on. And this is the reading telling us this one's got about 36 psi, which is actually a little bit too much, so I'm going to let some out. So I've checked all the tyres, but we still have a light on. So what I've done is I've gone around, manually made sure that they're all correct. Now we actually need to tell the car that we've reset them and allow it to calibrate. So to do that, we use our steering wheel controls here. These buttons go forwards, towards you, and then there's upwards, downwards, or select in the middle. So we're going to toggle through our menu over here. So the first part is keep going till we see the service menu, and then I'm going to use the select button down here in the center. So I've selected that. Won't let me do it because the handbrake's not on. So yeah, actually there's something. You've got to have the handbrake on to access this menu. So I've gone in, select. Now it's saying a number of different options. So I'm going to find deflation warning system. I'm doing that by toggling upwards and downwards. So deflation warning system, I'm going to select. I'm going to flick upwards or downwards to initialize. I'm going to initialize. It's now complete. So that means then, and then I can come back out of that menu, back out, and I'm back into the normal menu again. So basically I've used these buttons here, in through the menu. If I turn off the car, turn it back on, tire pressure is fixed and no longer an issue, and that means you can drive on. So basically, like we're saying, manually check it, then you got to calibrate it. So that's how you do it on HRV since 2016 in Ireland. Thanks for taking time to watch. Brian here, Fitzpatrick's Garage, Kildare Town. So any information you ever want in a car, 086 843 1945.